Hi everyone! Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of fixing the mic muted by system settings error, which often occurs in Google Meet or other apps. These methods will help you troubleshoot and get your microphone working properly again. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's dive in. Step 1. Press the Windows I keys together to open the settings menu. Once there, click on Privacy and Security on the left side. On the right side, scroll down and find the microphone option. Click on it and make sure microphone access is turned on. Additionally, scroll down to check the list of apps. If Google Chrome or the app you're using appears in the list, make sure its toggle is switched to on. Step 2. If the issue persists and you're using Google Chrome, click on the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of the browser, then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, go to Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings on the right. Scroll down to the microphone section. Make sure the option Sites can ask to use your microphone is selected. Step 3. If none of the above methods work, open the Sound Control panel. Type mmsys.cpl and hit Enter. In the Sound Control panel, click on the Recording tab. Find your microphone from the list and ensure it's the correct one with a green check mark next to it. Double-click on your microphone, go to the Levels tab, and make sure the volume slider is set to maximum. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video to support us, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.